Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin with clean, damp hair, about 70% dry so the product spreads evenly. Apply 1-2 pumps for short hair or 3-4 pumps for longer lengths. This prevents stiffness. Once done, detangle with a wide tooth comb and divide hair into 4 sections to control application. You want even coverage at the roots and ends, so work methodically from the back to the front. Make sure to rub the jelly between your palms. This warms it for easier distribution. You now define curls section by section, raking the jelly through each strand so every hair gets coated. For tighter spirals, use finger coiling on 0. 5 1-inch sections. For looser waves, use the shingling method. Once shaped, scrunch upward to encourage curl formation, then diffuse on low heat until hair is about 70–80% dry. This sets pattern without frizz. Make sure to alternate directions for a natural look. If you prefer air dry, pause between scrunches to avoid flattening. You finish by sealing with a light oil or serum on the mid-lengths and ends to add shine and reduce frizz. Once fully dry, gently scrunch to break the cast and reveal soft, bouncy curls. Avoid over-manipulation, which causes frizz. If curls go limp, add 1 pump of jelly to scrunch and reactivate shape, then rediffuse on low heat to reset. Make sure to sleep on a silk pillowcase or pineapple high to preserve the style overnight.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.